Let's discover Move's stainless steel series. The Model SRB-037 OTA. Temperature resistance can withstand high and low temperatures. With its smooth, shiny finish, enhances the visual appeal of products and structures, adding a touch of sophistication and elegance. With 1/2 ashtray and 1/2 top opening. It also comes with inner liner bin. This inner bin is durable and non-corrosive material, easily to clean, lightweight, and making it ideal for applications in the food and pharmaceutical industries where cleanliness is crucial. Highly versatile and suitable for all commercial buildings, such as mall, hospital, saloon, and many more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow this page.